Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello YouTubers, it's Yusuf here from Yusuf Academy, Math as supposed to be, Mathematics for GCSE and IGSE higher level for grade 9 to 1. Today we are going to do one of the important topic is quadratic equation. Quadratic equations. Quadratic equations, we are going to do it by factorization and completing squares and the formulas. Okay, let's have a simple equation. If you say x squared plus 5x equals 0, yeah? What's the common factor between these two terms? It will be x here, and here will be x plus 5, yeah? Equal 0. So we have two values of x. Either x equals 0, whatever is here, the answer is 0, so x equals 0. The second thing, x plus 5 equals 0, that will lead to x equal minus 5. So we have two values, x equals 0 and x equals minus 5. Yeah. Let's have another one, x squared plus minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. If you work out that, it will be, we make two lovely brackets. X squared is x times x, 4 is 2 times 2, and here square is minus, it will be minus, because minus 2 times minus 2 give us plus 4, and minus 2x give us minus 4x. So from here, x minus 2 equals 0, that will lead to x equal 2, yeah, and x equal to the same twice, yeah. Okay, let's have another equations. For example, if we have x squared minus 5x plus 4 equals 0, that will be here two brackets, yeah. X squared is x times x, and 4 is 4 times 1, and here is minus, will be minus 4 minus 1, minus 4 times minus 1 give us plus 4, so x minus 4 equals 0, that will lead to x equal 4, that's the first value, and x minus 1 equals 0, that will lead to x equals 1, yeah. Another one, if we say x squared or 2x squared plus 7x plus 5 equal 0. We need the value of x, yeah? So we make brackets. 2x squared is 2x times x. What's 5? 5 times 1, and we have plus, we have here 5x and we have here 2x, the answer is 7x. That's fantastic. 2x plus 5 equals 0, that will lead to 2x equal minus 5, lead to x equal minus 5 over 2. And the other one, x plus 1 equals 0, that will lead to x equal minus 1. That means x has got two roots. The first root, x equal minus 5 over 2, and the second root, x equal minus 1. Let's have another equations. The other equation is x squared plus 2x equal 3. We send the 3 to the other side, it will be x squared plus 2x minus 3 equal 0. We have minus here, it means 1 plus and 1 minus. We do the brackets here. X squared is x times x. 3, it will be 3 times 1. We have minus times plus or minus times plus. Which way we are going to put the minus? We look to the term in the middle. The term in the middle is plus 2x. That means the big number will take the plus and the small number will take the minus. This all equals 0. So x plus 3 equals 0. That will lead to x equal minus 3. This is the first term root. And x minus 1 equals 0. That will lead to x equal 1. Minus 1 go to the other side, it will be 1. And this is the second root of the equation. Yeah. What about if we have something like fraction? For example, we have x minus 2 is equals 4 over x minus 1. Okay, we talked about cross multiply this times this, and this is over 1. Yeah, 4 times 1, so it will be x minus 2 times x minus 1 equals 4. Yeah, let us expand this bracket. We have x squared minus x minus 2x and plus 2, and the 4 we send it to the other side, it will be minus 4 and all equal 0. Let us simplify. X squared minus x minus 2x minus 3x plus 2 and minus 4 is minus 2 equals 0. Wow. Now let us factorize this equation again. Yeah, two lovely brackets. X squared is x times x. What is 2 is 2 times 1. Okay, is that how we gonna work out this? It will be there is 2. If we put this is minus 1 plus, it will not work. It will not work this way, so we cannot factorize that one. We cannot factorize this equation. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna do something. We call it completing the square. Completing the square. It works like we have ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So we have x minus b over 2 squared minus b squared over 4 plus c equals 0. We apply this here. We have b here equal minus 3 and a equal 1 and c equal minus 2. So it will be x minus 3 over 2 square, and this is, it will be minus 1.5. 3 over 2 is 1.5. We square it, it will be 2.25 over 4, and here plus c here is minus 2, so it will be straight away minus 2, that's equal 0. Yeah, so it will be x minus 1.5 squared and minus 2.25 divided by 4. We will have here 2.25 divided by 4. The answer is 0.5625. Yeah, minus 0.5625 minus 2 equals 0. Now we add these two together, it will be x minus 1.5 squared minus 2.5625 equals 0. We move this number to the other side. It will be x minus 1.5 squared equal 2.3625, and then we square root both sides. X minus 1.5 equal plus minus 2.3625, and then we add this. It will be here x equal, we move minus 1.5 to the right hand side, 1.5 plus minus square root 2.3625. One time we add and one time we take away, we will find the root of x. So this is the beginning of the completing square. Yeah, let's have another equation in completing square. Completing square, we can solve a lot of questions. Is very easy to be done. Yeah, let's have another question. We have, for example, find the roots of the equation x squared minus 6x plus 2 equals 0. We cannot factorize this with the normal way, so we have to do the completing square. X minus b over 2 minus b squared over 4 plus c equals 0. So it will be x minus b over 2, 6 over 2, it will be 3 squared minus b squared, it will be 36 over 4. Yeah, and plus c, it means plus 2 equals 0. That will lead x minus 3 squared. 36 divided by 4 is minus 9 plus 2 equals 0. And here we'll have x minus 3 squared minus 7 equals 0. Now we move the minus 7 to the right hand side. X minus 3 squared equals 7. Now we square root both sides. That will lead to x minus 3 is equal plus minus square root of 7. So minus 3 go to the other side, so it will be x equal 3 plus minus square root 7. So x1 is equal 3 plus square root of 7. We can work it in calculator, and x2 is equal 3 minus square root of 7, and x1 and x2 are the two roots of the equation. Yeah, let's have another questions. We have here x squared minus 5x plus 3 equals 0. Yeah, we have x minus b over 2 squared minus b squared over 4 plus c equals 0. This is the rule of the completing square. So it will be x minus 2.5, because b is 5 divided by 2 is 2.5 squared, minus 5 b squared, it means 25 divided by 4 plus 3 equals 0. We keep simplifying. X minus 2.5 squared and minus 25 divided by 4, it will be minus 6.25 plus 3 equals 0. So x minus 2.5 squared minus 6.25 and plus 3, it will be minus 3.25 equals 0. Minus 3.25, take it to the other side. X minus 2.5 squared equals 3.225. We square root both sides, then x minus 2.5 equal plus minus square root 3.25. Minus 2.5, move it to the right hand side, so x equal 2.5 plus minus square root 3.25. Now we find the root. The first root, x1 equals 2.5 plus, we take 1 plus square root of 3.25, and x2 equals 2.5 minus square root of 3.25, and this is the way we do the completing square. Sometimes completing square is getting a bit harder. Yeah, let us take one of the harder questions. Harder question like when a is got a value, for example, like 3x squared plus x minus 2 equals 0. What we're gonna do here? Yeah, so what we're gonna do here? 3x squared plus, sorry, is 2x plus 2x minus 2 equals 0. Now what we do here, we are saying we take 3 outside, so here it will be x squared plus 2 over 3x, yeah, and we close this, minus 2 equals 0. We work it out like that. We divide these two terms, every of them, by 3. We put the 3 as a factor outside the square bracket. Now this one in the square bracket, let us turn it to completing square. That will lead to, it will be 3 times x plus, okay, 2 over 3 divided by 2. It will be 2 over 6, yeah, and square minus, what is 2 over 3 square? It will be 4 over 9 divided by 4, and here minus 2 equal 0. Yeah, it's a bit scary. Let us shape it. It will be 3 times x plus 1 over 3 square. It will be here like recurring 3, and minus this 3 here will multiply to this one. It will be 3 times 4 over 9 times 4, yeah, it will be like this, yeah, and minus 2 equals 0. This 4 cancel this 4, and if we divide by 3, 1, if we divide by 9 is 3, so it will be 1 over minus 1 over 3. That means 3 times x plus 1 over 3 square minus 0, 1 over 3, it means 0 recurring 3 minus 2 equals 0, yeah, and this is recurring 3 as well. It will be 3, yeah, time x plus 0 recurring 3 square minus 2 point recurring 3 equals 0. This one we take it to the other side, it will be, and we divide it by 3. It will be x plus 0 recurring 3 square equals 2.3 recurring divided by 3, yeah. So square root both sides, it will be x plus 0 recurring 3 equal square root plus minus here 2 recurring 3 divided by 3, and then this we move it to the other side, x equal minus 0 point recurring 3 plus minus square root 2 point recurring 3 divided by 3. So x1 equal minus 0.3 recurring plus the square root 2.3 recurring 3 divided by 3, and x2 is equal minus 0.3 recurring minus square root 2.3 recurring divided by 3, and this is the two values. By the calculator, easy to work out. And this is the end of the completing square. Let's have a look the last bit of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, the formula, yeah, the formula, everybody knows the formula. We can work it out like x square formula, the formula, everyone knows the formula. X equal grab a line here, minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, where is the equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. So that is the way we work out the equation. If we have, for example, x square minus 2x minus 5 equals 0. Okay, here the operand of x square is 1. That means a equal 1, b equal minus 2, and c equals minus 5. We apply the formula. It will be x equals minus b is equal minus 2, it will be plus 2, yeah, because minus times minus give us plus minus square root b square, it means minus 2 square minus 2 square minus 4 times c, for a 4 times a 1 times c is minus 5, yeah, divided by 2a, it means 2 times 1. So we have here 2 plus minus square root, here we have 4, minus times minus is plus, 4 times 1 times 5, it will be plus 20, yeah, and minus 2 square is equal 4 divided by 2. So 2 plus 4 is 24. So x1 is equal 2 plus minus square root of 24 divided by 2. So that will lead to not x1, just x's, yeah. Now let's find x1. x1 we take it with plus, it will be 2 plus square root of 24 divided by 2, and x2 is equal 2 minus square root of 24 divided by 2, and by calculator we can find the values of x1 and x2. Let us have more equations for the formula. Formula is faster than completing square. If we are in the exam, he didn't tell you. He tell you solve the quadratic equation, we try the factorization. If the factorization doesn't work, straight away we go for the formula, it will give us the faster. If he asked you to do it by completing square, you don't have any alternative, yeah. Look to this question here, x square minus 2x minus 12 equals 0. It will be, we have the formula, x equal minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2 time a. Yeah. Now what we're gonna do here, a equals 1, b equal minus 2, c equal minus 12. We substitute in the formula, so x equals minus b, it means plus 2. Yeah, minus with minus give us plus, plus minus, here square root will be 4, minus 4 time a is 1 time c minus 12. Yeah, divided by 2 time 1. Yeah, so it will be plus 2 or is 2. Yeah, doesn't matter, we can say 2 plus minus square root. Yeah, 4 times 12 minus time minus, it will be plus, and 4 times 12 is 48. Yeah, divided by 2. The x equal 2 plus square root plus minus square root 50 square root of 52 divided by 2. So x1 is equal 2 plus square root of 52 divided by 2, and x2 is equal 2 minus square root of 52 divided by 2. We can work it out by the calculator. Yeah, okay. Sometime he give us something like this. Let's grab a triangle. Yeah, this triangle here. Okay, and he tell you that is x plus 12, and this is x plus 7, and this is x. What he said, find the value of x from this triangle, and the answer 2 decimal place, 2 dp, 2 decimal place. If we have a right angle triangle here, what we're gonna do, we do Pythagoras. This is the hypotenuse and this is the other, so it will be x plus 12 squared equal x squared plus x plus 7 squared. Yeah, we work it out here, x squared, and this is 12 square 144, and this is x times 12 times 2. That's the way you work it. It will be plus 24x. Someone asked me, if you work out x plus 12 times x plus 12, it will give you this value, x squared plus 24x plus 144. The quickest way, x squared, that's x squared, 12 squared 144, and the first time the second time 2. The first is x times the second 12, 12x times 2 is 24x. That is the quickest way. Equal x squared plus, here we do the same, x squared, this is the first, the second, 7 squared is 49, and the first time the second time 2, x times 7, 7x times 2 is 14x. We put all this and we simplify. It will be x squared plus 24x plus 144 minus x squared minus x minus x squared again minus 14x minus 49 equals 0. Yeah, so let us do that. X squared cancel minus x squared, what's left? Minus x squared. 24x minus 14x, it will be plus 10x. Yeah, and 144 minus 49, 14 take away 9 is 5, and 13 take away 4 is 9. It will be 99. Yeah, 95. That's all equal 0. Okay, now we can work out with the formula. Yeah, the formula x equal minus b plus minus square root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Yeah, so a equal minus 1, b is equal 10, and c is equal 95. Yeah, so let's work out x equals, grab a line. Yeah, it will be minus 10 plus minus square root 10 square is b square is 100, 10 square is 100, minus 4 times a is minus 1 times c 95. Yeah, over divided by 2 times minus 1. That will lead to x equal okay here minus 10 plus minus square root here is 100. 4 times minus 1 is minus is plus. It will be 100 plus, and 4 times 95, 4 times 5 is 20, 0 carry 2, 4 times 9, 36, and 2, it will be 38, divided by minus 2. So that's x equal minus 10 plus minus square root 138 will be 480 divided by minus 2. That will lead to x1 equal minus 10 plus square root of 480. Go straight away to the calculator, divided by minus 2, and x2 equals minus 10 minus square root of 480 divided by minus 2, and these are the two roots of the equation. And here this is the end of our lesson. Thank you very much for your watching.